Well, we heard they had the best barbecue in town, so we came down to the Iron Grill to find out for ourselves. I talked to Jimmy Starvecka about how come this was the best barbecue in town. I got to tell you, one bite of this and you'll know exactly why. You know, I saw the advertisements, I've read the magazines, it all says you have the best barbecue in town. Tell us why that is.
Well, I'm a culinary graduate. I graduated culinary school in New York about 20 years ago. And I'm a chef owner of this restaurant, so I take care of everything. Everything is cooked from scratch. Our pulled pork is very good and it's becoming very famous just for the fact because we use a dry rub in the pork and we cook it for about 15 hours and 225 degrees. We have nice smokers out there, and in a way it comes out, it's so tender, you know. Then after that we have our famous Carolina sauce that we pull all over it. So it's really, really good.
You're known for the pulled pork, I know here, but you have some other great dishes, right?
Oh yeah, when I purchased this establishment, it was just like a barbecue joint, but I wanted a little bit more of them. I wanted a restaurant with a barbecue theme. I'm proud of the best barbecue dishes, but also in my menu, you can find from vegetarian dishes to, you know, sandwiches to, you know, steaks. So I wanted to kind of make it a little bit bigger than just a barbecue joint.
Well, Jimmy, you also have a great happy hour here, talking about the bar area and some of the folks that come in here and how it's just that friendly environment.
This is a neighborhood place, and that's what I try to keep it. You know, so I run probably the best happy hour around. It's 2 to 7. We do half-price appetizers, half-price drinks, and people come from work. I have about 20 people over here. They come and meet each other every day after work in my bar. So they don't bring their bank, and this way they're happy, they meet each other, and the food is always fresh, and they love it, and I'm here. My wife works here. She's here almost every day. So when they see the owners are so engaged with the establishment, people kind of appreciate that.
So tell us how we get some more information, Jimmy.
Well, you can go to www.bestbarbecuecolumbus.com.
Fantastic, Jimmy. Best of luck to you, man. I tell you, great food here. And don't forget, you can always go to our website, outandaboutcolumbus.com. And then you can also get a link over to Jimmy's website. I got to tell you, you got to come down here on High Street and try out some of this great barbecue.